Speak English Now 20 Essential Sentences for Beginners. Anna lives in London. John goes to school every day. Emma has a big garden. Michael plays football on Saturdays. Sophia and her family visit New York in the summer. Oliver buys bread from the local market. Isabella watches a movie every weekend. David drinks coffee in the morning. Mia and James read books in the park. William likes to play video games. Emily has 2 cats and a dog. Henry rides his bicycle to work. Charlotte loves listening to music. Liam helps his dad in the kitchen. Grace goes to the gym 3 times a week. Jacob takes pictures of beautiful landscapes. Ella works in a small shop in Manchester. Noah visits his grandparents every Sunday. Lily and her brother play chess in the evening. Ben meets his friends at the cafe on Fridays.
Fun with Hobbies. Learn simple English sentences for beginners. Emma enjoys reading books in Central Park. James plays football every weekend in London. Olivia loves to draw animals and nature scenes. Ethan goes hiking in the Rockies every summer. Sophia collects stamps from different countries. Mason likes to play the guitar at home. Isabella rides her bicycle around Sydney. Liam watches movies with his friends on Fridays. Mia goes swimming at Bondi Beach. Noah plays chess with his grandfather. Ava bakes cakes and cookies on Sundays. Jacob takes photographs of historic buildings in Boston. Emily practices yoga in her backyard. Daniel fishes at Lake Michigan during his holidays. Grace learns to dance salsa in Miami. Benjamin gardens in his small plot in the countryside. Lily loves birdwatching in the English countryside. Alexander writes poems about his travels. Charlotte knits sweaters for her family during winter. Jack explores museums in Washington, D.C.
Discover the Animal Kingdom. Simple English questions and answers. What is your favorite animal? My favorite animal is a dog. Where do lions live? Lions live in the African savanna. Can dolphins jump? Yes, dolphins can jump high. What does a panda eat? A panda eats bamboo. Do cats like water? Most cats do not like water. Where can you see penguins? You can see penguins in Antarctica. Can elephants swim? Yes, elephants can swim. What color are flamingos? Flamingos are pink. Do kangaroos live in Africa? No, kangaroos live in Australia. What does a bear do in winter? A bear hibernates in winter. Can birds fly? Yes, most birds can fly. Where do giraffes live? Giraffes live in Africa. Do rabbits eat meat? No, rabbits eat vegetables. Can fish live out of water? No, fish cannot live out of water. What sound does a cow make? A cow makes a moo sound. Where do polar bears live? Polar bears live in the Arctic. Can monkeys use tools? Yes, some monkeys can use tools. Do wolves live in packs? Yes, wolves live in packs. Where do tigers live? Tigers live in Asia. Can a parrot talk? Yes, some parrots can mimic human speech.
Master Basic English Communication 20 Must Know Q&A for Beginners. What is your phone number? My phone number is 523-456-7890. Can I call you later? Yes, you can call me after 6 p.m. Where do you live? I live in London. What is your email address? My email address is albert@example.com. Can you send me the details? Yes, I will send them by email. Who is calling, please? This is Barbara speaking. How can I contact you? You can contact me by phone or email. Are you available for a meeting tomorrow? Yes, I am available in the afternoon. What time is the meeting? The meeting is at 10 a.m. Can you hear me? Yes, I can hear you clearly. Can we meet in person? Yes, let's meet at the cafe. What's the best way to reach you? The best way is through WhatsApp. When can we talk? We can talk tonight. Do you have a business card? Yes, I have one with me. Can I leave a message for Albert? Yes, I will give him your message. Who should I contact for more information? Please contact Barbara for more details. Is it okay to text you? Yes, texting is fine. Can you repeat that, please? Sure, I said, the meeting is at 10 a.m. Are you on social media? Yes, I am on Facebook and Instagram. How do I spell your last name? It's spelled Albert.
Easy English. Learning through daily news. What do you read in a newspaper? I read news and articles in a newspaper. Where do you watch TV? I watch TV in the living room. What do you listen to on the radio? I listen to music and news on the radio. Who hosts the podcast you like? Michael hosts the podcast I like. What kind of music do you enjoy? I enjoy listening to pop music. Who is your favorite film actor? My favorite film actor is Tom Hanks. How often do you read a newspaper? I read a newspaper every morning. What shows do you watch on TV? I watch documentaries and comedies on TV. Can you find sports news on the radio? Yes, I can find sports news on the radio. What was the last podcast you listened to about? The last podcast I listened to was about travel. Do you prefer music or podcasts? I prefer listening to music. What was the last film you saw? The last film I saw was a science fiction movie. Which newspaper do you read? I read the New York Times. Do you have a favorite TV channel? Yes. My favorite TV channel is BBC. Is there a radio station you like best? Yes. I like the radio station 104.5 FM. Who is your favorite podcast guest? My favorite podcast guest is the scientist, Dr. Jane. What genre of music makes you happy? Rock music makes me happy. What kind of films does Jessica like? Jessica likes romantic comedies. Do you prefer reading a newspaper or watching news on TV? I prefer watching news on TV. Have you ever called a radio station? No. I have never called a radio station. I hope these examples are useful for your English learning. Thanks for watching.
Speak English with emotion. Easy ways to express happiness, sadness, and joy. Why is Luther sad today? Luther is sad because he lost his book. How does Fiona show her happiness? Fiona shows her happiness by smiling and laughing. What makes you feel joyful? Seeing my friends makes me feel joyful. Why was Luther happy on his birthday? Luther was happy because he received many gifts. Can a movie make Fiona feel sad? Yes, a sad movie can make Fiona feel sad. What does joy feel like? Joy feels like a warm, pleasant feeling in your heart. How does Luther celebrate his success? Luther celebrates by having a party with his friends. What brings happiness to Fiona? Playing music brings happiness to Fiona. Why do we feel sad sometimes? We feel sad when things don't go as we hoped. Can a good joke bring joy? Yes, a good joke can make people feel joyful. Why is Fiona excited about going to London? Fiona is excited because she loves traveling. What made Luther feel proud in Canada? Luther felt proud when he won a photography contest. Why do people feel happy when they help others? Helping others gives a sense of fulfillment and happiness. Can beautiful weather make you joyful? Yes, sunny and pleasant weather often makes people feel joyful. Why was Fiona sad about leaving Paris? Fiona was sad because she enjoyed her time there. How does Luther express his happiness? Luther expresses his happiness by singing. What makes children in Australia happy? Children in Australia are happy when they play outside. Can a surprise party make Fiona joyful? Yes, Fiona loves surprises and they make her joyful. Why do people feel sad when they say goodbye? People feel sad when they say goodbye because they will miss each other. What can bring happiness to someone who is feeling down? Kind words or a friendly gesture can bring happiness to someone who is feeling down.